Welcome to the ACA IELTS series. The IELTS exam is all about demonstrating your language skills with precision. Today, we're here to help you master the vocabulary themes most likely to appear in January 2025. Stay tuned for examples, definitions, and strategies to achieve your highest band score yet. Let's get started. Theme 1. Climate Change and Sustainability. Words and meaning. Carbon neutral. Achieving net zero carbon emissions by balancing emitted and absorbed carbon. Biodiversity. The variety of plant and animal life in the world or a particular habitat. Renewable energy. Energy from sources that are naturally replenished, like solar or wind power. Deforestation. The permanent removal of trees and forests. Eco-friendly. Products or practices that do not harm the environment. Example question. What are some sustainable practices that can combat climate change? Answer. Sustainable practices are vital to addressing climate change. Switching to renewable energy, supporting reforestation to protect biodiversity, and promoting eco-friendly transportation can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Together, these measures help us move toward a carbon-neutral future. Theme 2. Artificial Intelligence and Technology. Words and meaning. Automation. Using technology to perform tasks without human intervention. Cybersecurity. Measures taken to protect systems against digital attacks. Machine learning. A subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data. Digital transformation. Integration of digital technology into all business areas. Innovation. Introducing new ideas or methods. Example question. How has artificial intelligence impacted daily life? Answer. AI is revolutionizing how we live by automating tasks, bolstering cybersecurity, and delivering tailored recommendations. For example, machine learning enables virtual assistants and smart home devices, making everyday life more convenient and efficient. Theme 3. Health and Wellness. Words and meaning. Work-life balance. Maintaining equilibrium between professional and personal life. Nutritious. Providing essential nutrients for good health. Mental health. Emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Physical fitness. The state of being physically healthy and strong. Resilience. The ability to recover quickly from challenges. Example question. Why is mental health becoming a critical global issue? Answer. Mental health is a growing concern worldwide. Stress from demanding lifestyles, inadequate work-life balance, and global challenges all contribute. Solutions include fostering resilience, encouraging physical fitness, and improving access to mental health resources. Theme 4. Education and Learning Trends. Words and meaning. E-learning. Learning conducted via electronic media. Skill set. A range of skills necessary for a specific task. Professional development. Learning opportunities to advance one's career. Interactive. Allowing active engagement and participation. Digital literacy. Ability to use digital technology effectively. Example question. What are the advantages of e-learning in today's world? Answer. E-learning is transforming education by providing flexibility and affordability. It encourages digital literacy, fosters interactive learning, and ensures professional growth opportunities, making it accessible globally. Theme 5. Urbanization and Smart Cities. Words and meaning. Infrastructure. Fundamental facilities needed for a society to function. Urban sprawl. Unplanned and uncontrolled expansion of urban areas. Sustainability. Practices that meet current needs without compromising the future. Smart technology. Advanced tech used to make systems efficient. Public transport. Transport services provided for public use. Example question. What are the challenges of urbanization in developing countries? Answer. Urbanization in developing nations presents hurdles such as urban sprawl and insufficient infrastructure. However, smart technology and sustainable urban planning can address these challenges, creating efficient and livable cities. Theme 6. Travel and Tourism. Words and Meaning. Cultural heritage. Traditions and landmarks passed down through generations. Sustainable tourism. Tourism that minimizes environmental impact. Vibrant. Full of energy and life. Gastronomy. The art of good eating. Itinerary. A planned route or journey. Example question. What are the benefits of sustainable tourism? Voiceover. Sustainable tourism offers a dual benefit. It preserves cultural heritage and protects the environment while boosting local economies. This approach ensures vibrant travel experiences for generations to come. Theme 7. Globalization and Cultural Exchange. Words and Meaning. Intercultural. Relating to different cultures. Diversity. The inclusion of varied elements or people. Globalization. The process by which businesses operate on a global scale. Assimilation. Adopting another culture's practices. Cross-cultural. Involving two or more cultures. Example question. How does globalization influence cultural diversity? Answer. Globalization enhances cultural diversity by encouraging intercultural exchange and understanding. However, it also poses challenges like cultural assimilation, underscoring the importance of safeguarding unique traditions. Theme 8. Environment and Natural Disasters. Words and Meaning. Climate resilience. Ability to adapt to climate change. Disaster preparedness. Planning for potential natural disasters. Renewable resources. Resources that replenish naturally. Pollution. Contamination of the environment. Greenhouse gases. Gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. Example question. What measures can reduce the impact of natural disasters? Answer. Reducing the impact of natural disasters requires comprehensive disaster preparedness, investment in climate-resilient infrastructure, and reducing pollution. Emphasizing renewable resources can further strengthen our defenses against such events. Theme 9. Economy and Employment. Words and Meaning. Gig economy. A labor market characterized by short-term contracts. Entrepreneurship. Starting and running a business. Inflation. Increase in prices and decrease in purchasing power. Job market. Availability of employment opportunities. Freelancing. Working independently for various clients. Example question. How has the gig economy affected traditional employment? Answer. The gig economy reshapes traditional employment by offering flexibility and fostering entrepreneurship. Freelancing, a core aspect, provides workers with greater autonomy and the ability to manage their schedules and income. Theme 10. Media and Communication. Words and Meaning. Mass media. Large-scale media communication platforms. Digital platforms. Online spaces for interaction and content. Misinformation. False or misleading information. Journalism. Reporting news and events. Social influence. Impact of social platforms on individuals. Example question. What are the challenges of misinformation in digital platforms? Answer. Misinformation on digital platforms poses significant challenges by eroding public trust. Addressing this involves promoting ethical journalism, raising awareness, and enforcing stringent content moderation policies. Exams can be stressful, but staying calm and focused is key. Take a moment to read each question carefully and manage your time effectively. If something feels challenging, don't panic. Just move on and revisit it later. And remember, you've worked hard, so trust in your preparation and give it your best. Practice incorporating these themes into your IELTS preparation. Use them to craft compelling answers and showcase your vocabulary. For personalized guidance, join ACA IELTS classes today. Comment below and subscribe for more tips. Best of luck!